All right, guys. So right now we're just gonna prime the car. Remember, the cylinder head is from engineering, so it's dry. So we can't just run it dry. So we're gonna just prime. As you can see here, we haven't fitted any spark plugs. We haven't fitted even the injectors. So everything is just off. We're just interested in the building the oil pressure. So yeah.
iPhone.
Yeah. And start.
Ase bophanga musila.
In.
The engine.
The engine.
The air.
Oh, okay. Keep.
Lock. iPhone now.
Cam sensor, yeah. In fact, keep on money page once. I want to see. Don, ngena lapha enzansi mfana ngibabhizinisi. Stand.
Careful.
File bit.
Yeah.
Let's check it. It's normal. Control. Check. If I feel rail up, kaka.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then in time block. Sorry, 50 rand down. I got to miss oil. Nje run try. First start. First start. Yeah. Alright guys, it's another day. I finished really late yesterday. I wouldn't want to rob you of the first start. So let's go on. By the way, there's no water in the car yet, so we're just doing a first start. Hey, let me check the water. The oil is up to par. No matter how many times you do this, guys, the first start is always the nervous one. Yes, we did start it yesterday just to see if the car idles and everything's okay, but the real test is now. So here we go. I'm not sure if you can see. She's ticking very nicely. She's firing on all cylinders. Of course, we can't idle here for a long time because there's no water, guys. There's absolutely no water. Yeah, but so far so good. Good news. So we need coolant and stuff like that. Take two, guys. Now we're actually putting water in the car. I've actually put in the water in the car, and the first thing that you want to do is get all the air out of the car, and obviously check for leaks. So here we go. As you can see here, all the water is gone. This is what you want, the bubbles. You want the bubbles as much. Otherwise, if I just close here without letting it burp, it's gonna overheat. It's gonna show you flames. See, bubbles are coming out, the air is coming out, and it's also important to jack up the car. Obviously, we're gonna do a radiator flush because this is just the oil from when we were working on the car. So yeah, let it just drive around with this. It's contaminated, I know, but we're gonna flush the engine, the radiator, the coolant. We're gonna flush the coolant, and then fresh coolant will go in. So I'm gonna restart doing this again. So yeah. But what I'm interested here now is the bubbles. You see? Air is coming out. The air pockets from the car. So yeah guys, let me end the video just here. Thank you for watching Fistomatic at FMW. Yeah, I'm happy with the car. The car is idling very, very nicely. There's no misfire. It's just purring like a kitten, so I'm happy. Let me give you a little revs. She's no longer a 2-cylinder anymore. As you can hear, nice.